Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl OhJessBehave and I am back with another video. So today I have a pretty big haul that I ordered from Glitterbels for Black Friday, and I'm gonna make it a two-part video because I got a lot of different glitters and powders from them. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and love y'all. Okay, so quick disclaimer, you guys. If you know me, then you know I love Glitterbels. Like, it's a long time coming. This is my favorite acrylic company. I watch a lot of girls from the UK do nails, and the nail sets just give because of the different types of glitters that they have to offer. They're so indifferent, but this color is Hot Crush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it so that you guys can see. And what I love about just getting glitter acrylics period, you can add a small amount and that small amount goes a really long way. But with this color, y'all, I bought this because I really liked it, but then I realized that I have some acrylic powders that kind of look just like it, like two of them. But it is what it is, y'all. I'm going to use them and enjoy all of my powders. So, yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and just add a little bit and then brush it down just so that you guys can see the glitter and how it looks. And I think it is so pretty. Alright, y'all, so I'm pretty much just blending that into the swatch stick, and oh, y'all, look at that. So gorgeous. So cute. And y'all, this is the color Laser Beam by Not Polished, and it looks exactly like this Glitterbel one, just a little bit, well, a lot less glitter. But I'm still gonna keep it because I love Not Polished, but I'm just like, I need to keep up with my stuff because why did I order something so similar? I could have got another glitter from Glitterbels. But we move on, y'all. Players make mistakes too. Alright, so the next color is Rainbow Crush, and this is also a glitter. Y'all got a lot of glitters. Y'all, I love this glitter. It's one of my favorites. It's so pretty. It can go with almost any nail set. It just blends in and looks super duper fire. So I would highly recommend y'all get it, okay? It's so cute. Like, look at that. It's so cute. And y'all, with Glitterbels, or period with glitter overall, a little bit goes a long way. So I know that these are gonna last me forever, but I just feel like they're gonna make my nail sets pop and just give that look to them. Like, with these glitters, you can't find these in the nail supply. Or nail supply, or you can't find them like at a regular nail salon. So this kind of sets you apart. You know what I mean? When you do your own nails, or you get clients. People are gonna ask you like where you got it from. You're gonna be like Glitterbels, and they're gonna be like, oh my god, I've never heard of them. Period. Cause you're a baddie, right? Yeah. So yeah, I absolutely love Glitterbels. You guys, look how cute that is. The back of my hand is throwing me off. Why did I forget that? But I just put it across something black so that you guys can really see the glitters come through. And look at that, so cute. So let's go ahead and move on. Alright, so the next color is going to be Desert Crush, and I absolutely adore this glitter. You guys are gonna hear me. Oh my god, my camera is not focusing. Like, focus, girl. I need a new camera. Anyways, and by the way, y'all, one of my cameras broke. I'm so heartbroken by that, but we move on. We're talking about swatches right now. So I love this glitter specifically because I love gold. Like, it's just one of my favorite colors or metals, whatever it's called. But this has like little specks of rose gold, gold, even like some type of blue glitter in there, and it really looks beautiful. I like how it's a really finely milled glitter. It's not super big chunks and stuff like that, so a little bit goes a long way, and you can use it to like make little details in your nails. Like if you're doing marble, you can like kind of put this in the nail to make it have some type of dimension. And I absolutely love it, period. It's so beautiful. So the next powder is going to be Golden Brownies. And when I saw this, I was like, I don't really use black acrylic powder that often, but this color is gonna actually make me use black and do like a dark set on myself. So I decided to get it, and as y'all can see, this is how it looks. It gives like a rich soil type of vibe, and it'll make you not really mind getting some black nails. So it has like these little gold little specks of shimmer in there, and I absolutely love, love, love this one as well. Y'all go hear me say I love all of them, y'all, because I really do love them. Alright, so this one is Tropical Flake, and this one is, I would rate it probably like a 7 out of 10. I feel like I've seen this before. Or maybe I haven't, I don't know, but I feel like this is like the typical orange flake that people use when they're doing like orange acrylic nails. But nonetheless, it's still cute or whatever, so yeah. Alright, y'all, and this one is one of my favorites. It's called Queen of Opals, and it has like this pink opal iridescent type of look in there. When you see like the first layer, you can't really see it, but when I apply another layer of it, you're gonna see how it looks. It's so pretty. I did like an all pink freestyle set for one of my clients' birthday with this, and I absolutely love this powder. It is so beautiful. Look at that. So cute. 10 out of 10, y'all. I love a good pink vibe, and this one is giving. Alright, y'all, so this one is Fire Opal, and I'm pretty upset about this because this looks just like the first two that I showed you guys. This just has less glitter in it, and I don't know what I was thinking buying this. I don't know why I felt like I didn't have this color for me to end up with 3 of them, but I'm really mad because I could have got another type of glitter. So this one is pretty disappointing. It's not a bad color. I just know that I'm not really gonna use this, so that's why I'm like, why do I have 3 of them? So when I do my giveaway, I might give away one of them. Probably not this one because it's a little plain. I might give away the one that I got in the first one. And this is Pink Flake. I also do not like this one, y'all. I thought that I would probably when I was buying it, but now that I received it, it gives like those little Mylar flakes that you can find in a Walmart kit. Like, it just doesn't give like, I should have bought this. I could have made this myself. So that's why I'm kind of disappointed in it. I like glitters that don't look like I could make them at home or DIY them. I like the unique look, and the green in the background of it, like the way that it shines, I do not like this at all. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but we move. The next one is going to be Mermaid Crush, and this one is actually really beautiful. I feel like if I do any type of ocean or mermaid type of vibe with the nails, I'm definitely going to use this one. It is so beautiful and just really nice. I like how it has like the rose gold and the gold flakes in there. It's nicely milled and it's really, really small pieces, but it still really pops. So I absolutely love this one. So I'm going to give this one like, you know, a 9 out of 10 because I really like it. So pretty. That is gorgeous. So cute. Yeah, I like that one a lot. Alright, so next is fish food, and this is another one that I'm excited about. It just gives like a party in an acrylic jar. I love it. I've seen this before from other companies, I believe, but I purchased it from Glitterbels, and I really, really like this. I like it because during the summertime, you can do like a blue set, a yellow set, a lime green set, pink. You can do whatever color with it, and this will go because it has those colors inside of the mix. So I think you can be very versatile with this, and it will just give the nails a nice pop of fun. I can see myself doing a nice French with it, using like a lime green, and I think this will be really, really cute. So this is how it looks, and I absolutely love this one. So I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. I really do like this. Alright, so this one is Prince Flake, and this is how the powder looks. And I like this one. This one I'm going to be using for this winter season. I think it's cute. It also gives, I could have chopped up some mylar and make it myself, but it'll look good on a Christmas set, so I'm not too mad at it. I'm going to rate this one like a 7 out of 10, but I feel like it could really make a nice snowflake type of vibe. It's not that bad. And you could use it during the winter, you can use it during the summertime. I think it's pretty versatile, so I'm gonna give that one like a 7.5. This one, y'all, I love this one. This is Ocean Crush. Oh my god, look at that. So stinking cute, absolutely gorgeous. This is how it looks. Now, normally when you apply it to like clear, it gives off like this yellow greenish type of look. But when you apply it to the nail, like you apply a good amount, that cast goes away pretty much. But this is how it looks if you just put like one layer. So you want to make sure when you're using this, you put a thick layer. And you see that? That's nice. So cute. And I think I'm going to use this winter too. I absolutely love this one. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. My next one is Rhubarb Fizz. And this is like, it has like an orangey, pinky, peachy type of iridescence to it. So I really like that. It's really, really cute to me. I feel like I could mix it with the pink. I could do peach nails with it. I could really play on the colors that are in here. You can't really see it when I'm applying it, but when I flip it over and I'm done, you guys will be able to see that. And that's really cute. You see that? That's a nice glitter. I like that a lot. So I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. And I wasn't rating them before, I just decided to rate them now. So it is what it is. The next one is Gingerbread. And this one is cool or whatever. I always wanted some nice browns and copper looking colors because I don't have those. So that's why I decided to choose this. And I think it's pretty nice. And I feel like I could use this color year round. If I do a nice ombre with it or whatever, it'll still look nice. It's a nice shimmer. And I use another one that looks just like this shimmer called Liquid Copper. And this is Liquid Copper next to it. So this one is a little bit lighter and the Liquid Copper is more dense and rich. But nonetheless, I really like these shimmers. They're really nice. And shout out to my subscriber that told me that their name is Shimmers because I was kind of stuck in the last video when I did a nail set on that. So hey girl, hey. And we're moving on to the iridescent series. So I don't know what this color was called. Maybe Venus, Mars, whatever, Serena. But this one gives off like a silver look, like platinum vibes. And I really like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. And with these, a little bit goes a really long way. So you don't have to overdo it. This is a really cute chunky glitter. So I like the Earth series. So I decided to purchase multiple from that series. So you guys are going to see it. And you see that? That is really, really nice. It gives like Indian soup stuff, right? I like that a lot. So with some crystal clear gems and crystals, it'll look really pretty. So this is the color Earth. And you can't really see it because I forgot to mix up the glitter in the jar. But when I apply, you guys are going to see the color, and I think it's so cute. And a lot of these glitters look similar, but they're not. If you see them in person, like the camera does not do them justice. you can see the difference in how they look. So it may look repetitive. The only thing that was repetitive was like that orangey red color that I kept getting 3 times. But the glitters, y'all, they're all different. This one kind of gives off like that gold cast. I really love it, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love glitter, y'all. I'm a sucker for glitter. You see how many glitters I bought? I'm addicted. So this one is Mars. And as you guys can see, this one gives a different type of effect, right? So this one has like the more orangey, reddish type of vibes. That's cute. I like that a lot. And I got a lot of glitters because I want to be able to have free range creativity when it comes to my nail set and just have something for everyone and everything. But look at that. That is really nice. I like that one. But this is the final color for this part of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what color you like the most. So if you guys are going to buy from Glitterbels, they're now shipping out of the United States, so you guys can get it for like a cheaper price. But I love y'all. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.